Hey everyone, in this video we'll talk about the midpoint formula. So before we discuss that, let's go ahead and draw a line segment. Let's draw a line segment like this. We have this line segment, and let's call this line segment AB, with the bar above it. That means that this endpoint is A, and this endpoint is B, and we want to find the midpoint of this line segment. So the midpoint is right here. Let's go ahead and call the midpoint M, M for middle. And the midpoint of a line segment is the point that sits exactly between the two endpoints of the line segment. So that means whatever distance it is from M to B, it is the same distance from M to A. It is exactly in the middle of the line segment. So let's say that this was all on a coordinate system. So imagine this was all on a coordinate system, on a graph. We graph these points, and say, for example, A has the coordinates 2, 4, and B has the coordinates 8, 6. And we were asked to find the coordinates of M right here. What are the coordinates of M? So all we have to do is use the midpoint formula. And the midpoint formula, we can just go ahead and write it. The midpoint formula. The midpoint formula in this case is used to find the coordinates for M. So the coordinates for M, 1 second. So the coordinates for M are equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So what are x1, y1, x2, and y2? Well, it's just these coordinates. So let's say the coordinates for A. Let's call this x coordinate x1. Let's call this y coordinate y1. Let's actually use a different color to make it easier to see. Let's say that's x1 and that's y1. And let's say for B, that would be x2, so 8 would be the x2, and 6 would be the y2. And we could just go ahead and plug it into this formula. Basically what this does is take the average of the two x values and the two y values. So let's go ahead and do that. x1 plus x2, so 2 plus 8 is 10. So 10 divided by 2, comma, y1 is 4, and y2 is 6. So 4 plus 6 is 10. So that's 10 divided by 2. So 10 divided by 2 is 5, making our midpoint 5, 5. So our midpoint right here is at the coordinates 5, 5. And that's how the midpoint formula is used, and that's how you would find a midpoint of a line segment on a coordinate graph. I hope this video helps, and if you have any questions at all, please leave them down in the comments below, and thank you for watching.